Hey there, health-conscious foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting and informative video for you. We'll be showing you how to meal prep for a whole week of healthy eating, ensuring you get the best nutrition while saving time and staying on track with your health goals. So, let's get started. 1. Planning and grocery shopping. Before we dive into meal prep, let's start with some planning. Decide on the number of meals and snacks you want to prepare for the week. We recommend 3 main meals and 2 snacks per day. Now, armed with your meal plan, it's time to hit the grocery store. Stick to the outer aisles, where you'll find fresh produce, lean proteins, and dairy. Choose whole grains and skip processed foods high in added sugars and unhealthy fats. 2. Prepping fruits and veggies. Once you're back from the store, wash, chop, and portion your fruits and veggies for the week. This will save you time during busy days and make healthy snacking a breeze. 3. Cooking lean proteins. Next up, cook your lean proteins like chicken, turkey, or beans. These are great sources of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and overall health. 4. Incorporating whole grains. Whole grains are packed with fiber and nutrients. Cook a big batch of your favorite whole grain and use it as a base for different meals throughout the week. 5. Assembling balanced meals. Now comes the fun part, assembling your meals. Use divided containers to portion out your proteins, whole grains, and colorful veggies. This way, you'll have a balanced and nutritious meal ready to go. 6. Healthy snack prepping. Let's not forget about snacks. Pre-portion some healthy options like Greek yogurt with berries and nuts or sliced veggies with hummus. These will keep you fueled between meals without reaching for unhealthy options. 7. Proper storage and labeling. To keep your meals fresh, it's crucial to store them properly. Label each container with the date and contents and stack them neatly in the fridge for easy access. 8. Incorporating variety. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Don't be afraid to mix things up with different herbs, spices, and sauces. This will prevent mealtime boredom and ensure you get a wide range of nutrients. 9. Staying hydrated. Lastly, stay hydrated. Fill up a large water bottle and carry it with you throughout the day. Proper hydration is essential for good health and supports your overall well-being. And there you have it, a week's worth of healthy and nutritious meals all prepped and ready to go. By investing some time and effort into meal prep, you'll set yourself up for success on your health journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty and health-conscious recipes. See you next time.